What's up, you guys? Today I have my very first styling fashion video since I gave birth to my son. I've got a new body, I got a new shape, and I have literally been in sweats for like the past 5 months. So I am so excited to get my groove back. So we're gonna kick things off with a spring try-on haul today. I got this rack here full of cute items to try on for you guys. These are very like spring-centric and cute and fluffy and airy. And a lot of today's items are from today's sponsor, Petal and Pup. If you guys never heard of Petal and Pup, it is an Australian clothing company. They feature some of the cutest on-trend items, especially dresses, but also separates, accessories, and they even have a bump-friendly collection where you can browse some items that are really good for your pregnancy or your postpartum phase like I'm in right now. And even better, they're so generous to give me a discount code. You can use code ERICA20 for 20% off your next order. I'll include that code also down below for you guys. And disclaimer, half of these things are gifted, but the other half I purchased on my own because I was just loving so many things on the site. All right, guys, as always, everything will link down below in the description box. I love you guys so much, and let's get started. All of today's outfit stylings, I broke out some of my favorite like spring to summer go-to shoes and accessories. I focused on white, cream, nude, tan to black color schemes. First category is casual dresses, and they're all in solid colors. These are all four from Petal and Pup and postpartum friendly. And the first one is one of my favorites. This is the Mira's dress. It's sophisticated. It looks like a structured shirt dress, especially with a notched collar, but it feels like a light summer linen dress. I cinched the waist with a matching belt, but you can keep it looser if you want more room in the belly area. It has pockets on each side, slits on the side. It's not see-through, and it's just so elegant, but also like really cute with those big oversized contrasting buttons. I pair this with some comfortable slip-on mules and a matching camel leather bag. Second, I am obsessed with how this dress feels. This is the Wabash dress. Take a short sleeve shirt dress, make it maxi style and multi-tiered. This is so comfortable, you guys. It feels like an oversized nightgown, but it's so cute. It's like a crinkled, textured, gauzy, lightweight material, and whenever you spin around, you can definitely feel like the movement and the heft. It just feels so airy. Cap sleeves with elasticized bands, and I'm in love with this dress. I paired it with some woven sandals, a woven bag, and an oversized sun hat. Next up is the Peoria dress. This one is just so great for running errands. It's so cute. It's kind of like a fun little baby doll dress meets sweatshirt dress, especially with like the heather gray material that's also very stretchy. It's crew neck. You got drop shoulder short sleeves and pockets on the side, and really great for those days where I just want to be comfy and on the go. Finish these off with a cute pair of white sneakers and a cute little mini backpack for functionality and comfort. Then we have the Quenced dress. This one is an olive linen swing tiered ruffle summer dress. When I want to show a little more skin, we got the sleeveless action, a cute little v-neck. You can tie that up if you want a little bow in the front, but same kind of vibes as the last one. You have shorter hems, it's loose, open, flowy, and like all the other Petal and Pup dresses that I'm seeing, it has pockets on both sides, which are extra cute. And to complement the earthy olive color, I went with darker tan colored sandals and a matching leather bag. Second category is jumpsuits and rompers. I literally feel so great in these three pieces, and of course nice options in case I'm not feeling a dress that day. I also didn't realize I had two black jumpsuits in this category, but I'm loving both of them. So the first one is going to be the Outerwear jumpsuit. This is the dressier out of the bunch. This is a lightweight jumpsuit that almost looks like a dress because the pant legs are so open and flowy, very light and breezy, and great for hotter weather. The top is just ultra cute with that straight thick neckline, and the straps are adjustable so you can position the bows exactly where you want them. You can keep this jumpsuit nice and loose and breezy like I did, or you can add a belt if you want to emphasize the waist. I paired this of course with a cute little sun hat with the matching black trim, and of course woven accessories for a cute beachy look. And then her sister is the Morgan jumpsuit. This one has the same vibes except the material is stretchy. You actually have some definition with the empire waist. The straps are already pre-set with these cute little micro bows, and the neckline and back are different with that scoop versus the straight across. The pants are also nice and loose and breezy. They look like a cute pair of trousers with those wide legs, and you also of course have cute little pockets, which I'm loving with all of these styles. I dressed this one down with a pair of cute white sneakers and a mini backpack. And lastly, for a dressier summer option, we have the Venice romper. It has that crinkly, gauzy linen material that's so light, but I love that it's not see-through. I've been super impressed with the quality of all the Petal and Pup pieces, and again, cute little pockets on the side. So this one I think is a really cute cute kind of date night look for the summertime. I paired it with some cute wedges for a little bit of lift, but still comfortable, and a cute woven basket bag. Next up are gonna be some cute separates. I've got some tops and some bottoms to show y'all. The first one is gonna be the Zermatt top from Petal and Pup. I fell in love with this shape because I wanted something very loose and elegant, and this one checks off all the boxes. It has this really nice deep v-neck wrap over top. The sleeves are kind of like ruched, but also batwing, and just very drapey and just really cool. Looks great with a pair of jeans, but I could also wear this with a nice pair of trousers for a more formal event. There is a little clasp there to keep things nice and covered, and you also have elasticized bands to really cinch off that balloon voluminous shape in the sleeves. Kept things clean and casual with a pair of jeans, some slide-on black loafers, and a chic clutch bag. Next is the Osani skirt. One of my favorite bottoms to wear in the spring and summer is just really loose, flowy skirts. And the maxi style is great if you want fuller coverage. This one features a really fun like 70s style print with these orange flowers. It's also multi-tiered with a ruffled bottom, and you even have a slit in the front in case you do want to show a little skin. And I pair this with a cute little mini straw bag and woven kitten heel slides. Next up, I really wanted to try a Petal and Pup pair of denim because they had so many cute washes on the site, and these are the Barclay jeans in the light wash. I actually could have sized down. I've just been kind of like fluctuating in my weight ever since I gave birth, but I love these. I am so obsessed with just the crop style, the raw hems, the wide legs that are flared. Like, they just look so good for spring and summer, and I dressed them up with some high-heeled mules, but they would also look great with just a simple pair of sneakers for every day, and they're just really loose and comfortable to move around. I feel really great in them, especially since all the jeans I have in my closet right now don't fit me. And the last separate, this one is another maxi skirt combo, but this one is in a solid color, so I like having like a pattern option and a solid color option. And then for the top, I went with this ribbed sweater tank. I love like this stretchy soft knit paired with like the gauzy summer fabric just for a little mix up. Paired it with a cute little basket bag with leather detailing, and I am ready to hit the town. Next category is fun patterned dresses. This first one is the Louie dress. They actually have a lot of dresses in the same silhouette, but in a lot of different color combinations. This one features a really subtle animal print. It almost looks like Floral from far away. I just love the micro size and the neutral colors, but it's still really fun and adds more dimension than a solid colored dress. This I think is like a chameleon dress. You can wear it for a casual occasion or something more formal like a wedding or a baby shower. I could spin all day in this thing. It is so comfortable and I feel like such a queen. I paired it with a simple clutch and some woven kitten heels. Then for something shorter, the Despina dress is definitely something that I would wear before I got pregnant too. You got a swingy A-line ruffled skirt on the bottom. The at the knee length is a really nice versatile length. Again, you can kind of dress it up or dress it down. And then I also love the deep V neckline, the puff sleeves. I paired this with a nude blush leather handbag and some matching nude wedges. This next dress is crazy and I freaking love it. This is the Dura's dress. I was like, this looks insane, but it looks so comfortable, and yes, it is. This is basically a cute little mini dress. It has this vibrant, fun brush stroke, like artsy pattern to it. I just love how slinky it feels with the drop waist, with the drop shoulders, the huge kind of boxy shape, the big pockets in the front, the cute little buttons, and then just like that deep V neckline. It was a super hot day and I was just lounging around all day in the house, and I just felt so fun and cute and just free spirited. And then we have the Keshi dress. I really love just a crisp, clean white dress for the spring or summer, but eyelet is a really great way to incorporate some pattern and texture while still maintaining that whole all white look. And the Keshi dress has a really fun pattern with all the little circles. You have double ruffled tiers on the bottom, and it even has the matching ruffle trim on the sleeves. I paired this with a cute little leather handbag and actually took the belt from the Louie dress and made a little bag scarf for a cute bow accessory. Then for pieces of outerwear, I've got like 3 of my favorites for the spring: a cardigan, a coatigan, and a trench. So depending on how your weather is, here sometimes it gets cold, sometimes it gets warm. It's like always changing, but Petal & Pup definitely had some really cute outerwear options too. The first one is a really highly rated one, and it comes in a great assortment of colors. This is the Lenore coatigan. I love coatigan hybrids like this because it's cozy like a knit sweater, it's casual like a cardigan, but it also has structure with like the collar, so it looks almost like a blazer and a coat. The second one is the Lagos cardigan. You guys, the heft and the quality of this waffle textured cardigan is just so good. I just love the length. It just makes it look extra elegant and premium, and this nice mocha color is a soft feminine neutral, and of course you got some pockets going on in both of these pieces. And lastly, one of my favorite wardrobe essentials is a trench. It is polished, it's professional, but it's still light and flowy and great for transitional weather periods. This one is light, airy, flowy, and you have all of like the polished look of a trench, but a playful touch with the sage green color. It definitely screams spring and summer and gives another accent color. And last 2 items are like floral separates. Sorry, they're kind of like in their own category back here, but these are really sheer pieces that I thought looked so elevated. I wanted a fun statement blouse, and this one was so chic for under $15. It's got kind of like this Victorian blouse shape, but with a modern, fresh pastel print. I love the mock neck, the big blouson, like puffy sleeves, and it's just nice and sheer and light, and it looks so fabulous just tucked into a pair of jeans. And on the flip side, I have these dark, romantic, like floral pants. They are loose, breezy trousers, but they honestly feel like PJ pants, and I elevated them with a cute ribbed tank top. So top to bottom, this honestly feels like I'm lounging in just a favorite pair of PJs, but they look really elevated and it's so comfortable, especially for my postpartum body. Alright guys, that does it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed some of today's outfits. Thank you guys so much for all your patience as I get back into the groove of things and just enjoying my new body postpartum. As always, everything mentioned in today's video will be down below in that description box. I also have that promo code for you guys to use in your next order on Petal & Pup. Thank you so much for Petal & Pup for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys for being here. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!